Hi, it's Harry Crafter here. Today I will go check real quick. Yes, today is July 9th, 2015. This is my unknown 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan that I really enjoy. It's in my mom's master bedroom. And, I got the bed up so I can do better video. Switches are on. And I will put you guys down and make sure you can see this ceiling fan. I'll make a new video if you can't see it, but start it on high. It's on downdraft. It's high. Pull chains right there. It does wobble a weeny bit, but as you can see, it's on J, whatever it is, so it wobbles. So you can make it wobble at least. It's medium, downdraft, and then here's low. That's low. And then I will do off and show you the light. So this is the blade colors. It's like, I don't know what color it is, but turn the light on so you can see the color. It's a pull chain under this pull. If anyone can tell me what kind of fan this is, that would be great. That's the finish of the blades. And then here's the upper part. That's the light. I'll leave it on for you. And now, oops. My tablet, whenever I touch the screen, it zooms up. So there's a switch. Now I will pull it for high. It's high. Stupid tablet. Medium. And now low. And now off. I will soon put the extensions on it when we stop the blades. The motor in there. Now those are the pull chains. This is the light. That's the light. Down here's the light. And then here's the fan. So that will be my review on this unknown Hunter ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!